Hello everybody! We read this book, The Koala Who Could. So today for our craft, we're going to make a koala. Let me show you. Here is my koala. Do you see the special paper I used to make the koala? It's a newspaper. The color of a koala is gray. So I used a newspaper to get the gray color. Let me show you how to do this. You want to look around your house because we need two sizes of circles. You can see here that we have little circles for his ears and a big circle that I used for his head and his shoulders. So you can find any toys that you might have in your house, maybe Tupperware or lids. Today I'm going to use this bowl and this lid. So I have my small circle and my large circle. Now we're going to open up our newspaper and I'm going to find two small circles. I want to find parts of the paper that have a lot of words because when you have a lot of words, the color looks very gray for our koala. So let's open up here. This looks like a good spot. Let me see. My small circle fits in perfectly. So I'm going to trace around. And now I have one ear. We'll do a second ear right here. Perfect. So I have two small circles for the ears. Now I need to find a space for a big circle for his head. Let's see. There's a lot of pictures here. I don't want all the pictures in my circle, so let's continue. Here's a good place here. There's a lot of words. Let's see if I can fit. There it goes. It's perfect. So again, I'm going to take my marker or pen or pencil and draw the circle. Now I can go back and cut that out for the face. Now you see for his body, I don't need the whole circle, just part of a circle. So I'm going to do a little trick here. See all of these words on the side? I'm going to trace part of the circle here. And now when I cut this out, it will be his shoulders. All right, so I have his body, his head, and back here I have two ears. I'm going to cut out all of my circles and I will see you in one bit. So I just finished cutting out all of my pieces. Let me show you. I have my shoulders, my koala head, and two koala ears. Now it's time to glue them onto a piece of paper. We'll start with the body first. Get my glue stick out, put some glue on the paper, and line up the shoulders right to the edge of the paper. Now it's time to put the koala's head. Very carefully, because this paper is fragile, I will put some glue. And we want the head to overlap the body a little bit. So go ahead and put the head on top of the body. All right, that's looking great. Now we need to add our koala ears. Those kind of go on the top and to the side. There's one ear and two ears. This is looking great. All right, so we have the main part of our koala ready. Let's see some things that we are missing now. How about this nose? Koalas have pretty big noses and they're usually kind of a black color. So what I did was I found in my newspaper a place where the color is pretty dark. You could find a picture or maybe this guy's coat. It's pretty dark over here in this picture, and you want to cut out a rectangle like this. So anywhere you find a dark color, black or blue, any color you want really, you're going to cut a rectangle like this. And now, to make it look more like a nose, I want to cut the corners so that they are round. There's 2 corners, 3 corners, and 4 corners. So now my rectangle is more of an oval shape, and I don't have any pointy edges. That will go right in the middle of the koala's face. So again, with my glue, we'll put that koala bear nose. All right. Just a couple more details I should add. Let's do the face first. Get my marker. He needs some eyes, of course. So we'll do those up here, above his nose. And a little koala bear mouth would be nice. Maybe we'll have him smile. Perfect, very good. All right, the last bit of detail that I added to this first picture was putting these leaves because koalas love to eat eucalyptus leaves. So what did I do? Again, I went into my newspaper and I found places where the color is green, and I cut out different parts of the paper to look like leaves. Do you see how the different leaves are different colors? That's perfect. It looks very good. So find any little pictures of green in your newspaper and cut out leaves. Then you can put them around the koala so he has something to eat. There's a couple leaves here on the side. Maybe some leaves coming down from the top. Put a couple on the other side. You can do as many leaves as you want. Koala bears eat all day, so the more leaves they have, the better. So if you find a lot of green in your paper, you should give your koala a lot of leaves to eat. All right, and that's it. We've made a koala picture using newspaper. I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.